Hi, I'm Sabrina. I'm here with.
Thomas, hi.
We are with Jedox, and we want to show you how to install Jedox with our cloud.
Let's go and take a look to our website. I want to create a trial cloud. So you click on trial, you go down to Jedox Cloud, and then you start your cloud trial. You have to fill out the form information.
We did this in advance.
Let's take a look here. So you give all information we need, especially a matching password. Very important is also the language you want to have for this environment and the location where your cloud should be created. If everything is entered, you sign up. Now let's take a look. We should get an email, and we are going to verify that we are the owner of the email.
So now we've gotten the email that confirms that our cloud instance is ready.
Right, so it takes about 20 minutes or 30 minutes, and with this email I get a link, and I just click the link. I will be redirected to my cloud instance. I'm immediately logged on to Jedox in the cloud, and then I can easily go to a home report, and I can immediately see I can switch from a specific year to another. I can open a top 10 analysis report, can play with the data, and you are ready to go.
This looks great.
Yeah, and easy to install and easy to use. And if you want to use this for further work, just follow the instructions in our other online courses.